Welcome to Dale Frazier Photography. As many of you know, I have started working on what I'm going to call a short story, and it's going to be a video about Caddo Lake. I've posted various images online, and I've had people ask me if I do guide service on Caddo Lake. I do not. However, I would like to share with you who does. So let's get to the video. Again, thanks for tuning in to Dale Frazier Photography. I've met up with another local photographer here in the Marshall area, East Texas, and his name is Robert Miller. I'll put a link down below where you could actually contact him if you're interested in going out on the lake. But what I want to do in today's video, I kind of want to give you a behind the scenes of what you can expect if you do decide to go out with Robert Miller Photography on Caddo Lake. We're going to start out the video with me getting up real early because we wanted to get out on the lake before the sun come up so we could actually get some sunrise images. The part of the lake that we're going to be visiting today is actually called Clinton Lake, and let's get to the video. Yes, sir. You mentioned that last time. Is that cabin? I didn't want to interrupt you, but I was thinking that's it. This is basically a mini video series that we're going to be putting together because we are going to be doing a short story. This is some of the basically behind the scenes that's going into making the video, and the video I'm actually naming it Chasing Caddo, and we're going to be discovering things about Caddo Lake. We're going to be talking about the mysteries of Caddo Lake and the stuff behind it. But again, I wanted to give Robert Miller Photography a shout out because he does such a great job. He can take you out on the lake in his pontoon boat. It's very affordable, and it's definitely, if you're going to be visiting the East Texas area, someone that I would highly recommend just to schedule your outing so that you can go out and explore a little bit about this magical and mystical lake called Caddo Lake. Again, we appreciate your likes, comments, and subscribes. May you have a blessed week. And let's go shoot some stuff.